The Odisha government has moved to withdraw the proposed MLA salary hike bill, triggering fresh political reactions across the state. The process has begun in the Odisha Legislative Assembly with the Assembly Secretary informing all members through an official letter. The move follows a notice from Parliamentary Affairs Minister Mukesh Mahaling, signalling the government's intent to roll back the pay hike proposal. BJD MLA Ganeshwar Behera described the withdrawal as a statutory formality, stating that since the government had already decided not to implement the bill, its withdrawal was inevitable and required House approval. The bill had earlier proposed a steep increase in salaries and allowances of MLAs, raising pay from 1 lakh rupees to 3.5 lakh rupees. The proposal, cleared unanimously in December last year, had received rare support from both ruling and opposition parties. However, the decision later drew public backlash, prompting the BJP legislature party to urge the Chief Minister to reconsider. With mounting pressure, the government is now set to formally withdraw the bill in the current assembly session.
प्रत्याहार करवा हूँ गोटे औपचारिकता कारण सरकार जो निष्पत्ति कले से बिल को कार्यकारी करेंगे ना सेतेबेले खाली बसी रही बिल उपर हम ना कारण सी हूँ गृहर संपत्ति गृहता को पारित करदेला तेणु ताको प्रत्याहार करवा जरूरी आ प्रत्याहार किपर करेंगे ना गृह को आनी गृह अनुमोदन क्रमे प्रत्याहार करेंगे ताही करिसेंती इट इज ए स्टैट्यूटरी रिक्वायरमेंट तो ताही अनुपालित होईची अनुपालित होबाकू जाउची ना से तो कार्यकारी हबार नथिला सरकार घोषणा करथिले से बिल को कार्यकारी करेंगे ना तो जो कार्यकारी हबार नथिला सेतेबेले प्रत्याह देवाटा असंभावित ताही हबाकू जाउची एते किसी नूतनता नहीं या एक औपचारिकता अपरिहार्य माने जो औपचारिकता।